This travel bottle food warmer is ideal for warming bottles and food jars on the go. Before you use your travel bottle warmer, you'll need to wash it in warm soapy water and rinse in clean water. You can place the plastic beaker in the dishwasher, but the insulated flask must always be washed by hand. To fill up your warmer, unscrew the plastic beaker and lift off. Then unscrew the cap and fill with a maximum of 500 ml of freshly boiled water. It's a good idea to make sure that the silicone seal is securely in place to prevent any leaks. Then replace the cap and twist to secure. When you're ready to warm a bottle, press the button in the centre of the cap to open the pourer. Then place the bottle in the beaker and pour the water from the flask into the beaker, making sure you never go above the neck of the bottle. When you want to close the pourer, press the button again in the centre of the cap. You'll know the pourer is closed when the button is slightly raised. Take care when removing the bottle, as it and the surrounding water will be hot. And always make sure that you check the temperature of your feed by testing it on the underside of your wrist. In between feeding, you can place the bottle back in the beaker to keep it at the right temperature.